Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to RocketReach for building LinkedIn-friendly outreach lists step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.rocketreach.co and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with a registration form to fill out. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the website's security requirements. Next, check the box to agree to RocketReach's terms of service and privacy policy. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. You may need to verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and follow the provided link to confirm your registration. Once your email is verified, return to the RocketReach website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, navigate to the search bar to begin creating your outreach list. Enter the relevant criteria related to your target LinkedIn audience. Filter your results based on job titles, companies, or industries. As you refine your search, click on the profiles that interest you for more details. Once satisfied with your selections, save the profiles to a new outreach list. Label your outreach list clearly for easy reference later. After you're done organizing, you can export your list for LinkedIn Outreach. Locate the export option on your dashboard and select the preferred format. Finally, download the file and prepare to integrate it into your LinkedIn outreach strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.